And that mindset, that way of seeing the world, it even applied to what most of us would see as a huge disadvantage. An incident in his childhood left him mostly deaf, but he didn't see it as a disability. No way. He actually reframed it as his superpower. His deafness became the shield, you know? It let him tune out all the noise and distraction of the world and lock in with an intense focus that became one of his greatest weapons as an inventor.
And that unique focus is what let him see the bigger picture, which was absolutely key for his next big challenge. See, the simple story is Edison invented the light bulb, but the reality is so much more impressive. He knew a single bulb by itself was basically a useless little glass toy. He had to invent the entire world for that bulb to live in.
I mean, just look at this list. The sheer scope of his thinking is mind-boggling. The bulb was just one tiny piece of the puzzle. To make it work, he also had to come up with a powerful dynamo to generate the electricity, a whole network of underground wires, safety fuses, light sockets with on-off switches, even the electric meter to measure how much juice you were using. He wasn't inventing a product, he was building an entire industry from absolutely nothing.
And one of his most brilliant moves, one that almost nobody talks about, was solving the distribution problem. The obvious way to wire a city was this tree system, right? But it would have taken a truly insane amount of super expensive copper. Electric light would have been a toy for the mega-rich. So Edison came up with his feeder system, a much smarter grid that delivered power evenly while using way less copper.
And we're not talking about small savings here. The scale of this is just massive. To light just one small district in New York, the old way would have needed over 800,000 pounds of copper. Can you even picture that? Edison's system slashed that by more than 80%. That innovation, that bit of systems thinking, is what made electric light affordable for everyone. It wasn't just smart engineering, it was revolutionary economics.